MyScreenKit.net. This is Randy, guys, your spokesman for the MyScreenKit company, folks. Use a genuine American-made product, but keep it clean. The reason I say that is, I'm going to turn this around. I just removed this screen, and I don't know if this camera really will catch this, but what if I were to stick it up here next to the one I just replaced? There we go. See the difference? And this is covered in dirt, mildew, pollen dust. Don't let that happen. Get out at least once a year, folks. Just hit it with a water hose. Maybe the back end of your kitchen broom, a little dish soap. Nothing hard. You don't need bleach. Don't need any of that weird stuff. Of course, it wouldn't hurt to, at the same time, just kind of cleaning your siding or whatever the case. Anything to keep your home nice and beautiful. But more importantly, keep those solar screens living for a lifetime, because after all they want to do is block the heat all day long and keep you cooler inside. Oh yeah, MyScreenKit.net.